Okay, so I've welded this piece up. I'm just going to attach it back on. Once it's back on, I think it's going to be strong enough without those extra brace pieces. Back to the trusty old Metro. Doing this wrong way around really. I am left-handed, but my left hand, I broke it recently. Oh, I think I said in the earlier video. I'm going to cut this back anyway, so I don't mind. Oh, strong enough so. Perfect. I'm not actually strong enough to lift the whole car by myself, I don't think so. I can't. But it'll hold. I just need some bigger washers on there, definitely, maybe some plates. I think definitely bigger washers either side of the steel bar, because that doesn't sound too strong. This side feels like it's going to pop through. But this piece, obviously, will go through the hole in that wooden frame, and that will allow me to rotate the body. But I feel like I've done something wrong here, because it doesn't feel like that centre of that hole to the edge of this body. Let's take an outside joint measurement, 30 inches. It will, just about. I did not leave much room for manoeuvre there. Right, so I'm here with Dan and we're going to do the back bracket. I did the front bracket by myself, but the back bracket we need to actually lift the body up and shim it out a bit so that it's level, so that I can get correct measure off the floor so that I know it's in the right place. Which is what we're doing today now. Right, so if you look from the side, you see this sill is leaning down.
From your side or my side?
Yeah, because that bit's higher up than the front on this block of wood, we need to put, I've got some blocks of wood in the back of my car, we need to lift the back up and put blocks of wood until this sill looks level.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And then when it looks level, I can take a measure from the floor up.
Yeah.
As you see on the front, I've got this.
Yeah.
That is going to go through there.
Right, okay.
Which I welded up myself with that, solid as a rock there.
Sounds good.
And we're going to do the same on the back, but we have to get it level first.
Right, let's get the bricks then.
But I've got...
Did I not just... Well, never mind.
You got two actually. 3.
Right, so you don't want all of these
No,
on.
I'm on the floor, we need to cut them apart. Just drop that there.
Carl, is this thing not going to be in the way?
So I can borrow it, so. Four will do for now. What I suggest is if you pass me 2, if I put 2 on here.
You sure you don't want them sideways rather than long ways?
No, because they will go sideways. But first thing I've got to do is lift the back up so we can get them under.
Your side out?
I got things in the way. Right.
Right, I didn't do my side.
Yeah, that's fine. Let me just save this. You know what?
What?
It's almost level. I just think we need one more under this side. One more under this side, so it's going to be 3 aside.
No, that's fine.
We'll stick 2 under your side first.
Well, there's really no point in this though.
Yeah, we'll stick 2 under your side first and then...
Ready?
I'll take a grip anywhere. Where was I holding before? Because I put the box of wood where I was holding before. Say where?
Go on, let go. Got it?
We're going to just put down that standing knife blade there.
Your blocks of wood aren't on straight and they're going to slip here. So be careful.
Shit, you're right.
Ready?
Yeah. Shit.
You're okay.
Lift it back under again, we'll just try and do it.
Oh, why can't I grip that now? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Right, my side, I'll hold it up. Get your side under. Hurry. Are you under?
Yep.
Now, we offer it up should be back right. The thing is now getting the hole in the right spot's going to be a bugger, because we're not, because we can't get it level, which is why there's these tubes, because these tubes are going to stick there and there to bring it off the body so that it's far enough away. I've got a bit of slack in the tubes, to be honest, though, because I've made it that way. I'm going to make it exact. Then, I don't know what happened to the tube. I just drilled my way into a pack of nuts. Doesn't have to be up against it. Pull it back out of it so this is, so it's square, but more, so it's level with about where that is.
Why is it turning?
Move a little bit. That's expected.
No, I meant it's turning though. It's not straight.
That's
it doesn't
fine.
matter.
It's fine. Yeah, the metal thing won't be straight. Right now. From there. That's about right. Right. And it's only matte steel, so that screw will do it. Let's get this somewhere where it's level out before I end up with another out. Roll over. It's for holes like this I need to buy a drill press, because then they'd be perfectly square. Oh, that noise though. Pick up some of that oil I spilled. Oh. Whew. Your ear's ringing.
It hurts a lot, yeah. Jesus.
Sorry. Ow. Ah, bollocks. Shit.
What's wrong with it?
It's got a bit funny in the hole. It's grabbing. There we go. Seems to cut through a lot faster from the inside.
No, after.
That's a much more level hole.